Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing a backup, because mistakes happen. Copy the project folder or create a dated zip. Next, open the exact files you will change in your code editor or CMS file manager, and make sure the live site runs locally or on a staging URL so you can test. Once done, note which HTML, CSS, or JS files control the area you want to change, and keep the console and inspector open to watch errors as you edit. You now make targeted edits, one element or function at a time, so you can trace cause and effect. Use browser dev tools to live edit CSS, inspect DOM, and watch the console for JS errors. This speeds iteration and prevents regressions. Once edits look correct, test interactions. Click links, submit forms, and resize from 320 to 1440 pixels to confirm responsive layout. If a script fails, step back to the last working chain. When you're satisfied, commit your changes with a clear message and push to the remote branch, or upload the modified files to the production server. Then deploy by merging to main or using your hosting deploy flow, and clear caches or CDN to ensure visitors see updates. After deployment, verify the live site. Navigate changed pages, confirm forms and assets load, and watch analytics or server logs for errors. If something breaks, revert to the backup and reapply fixes cautiously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.